If you want to hide the cash on delivery option for some individual product variants like the color, size or anything, then in this video I will show you the exact tutorial how to do it very easily. So let's begin. For that, I installed the advanced cash on delivery app from the Shopify app store. You can also download it. So after installing the app, go here advanced payment rules. Then create a new payment rule. Give a title like hide COD for one product variant. Select the condition product variant title. Operator contains. In the value, add the product variant name, like I am adding blue. Then add the action, hide payment method name, cash on delivery. After that, active the status and save this. Now if my product variant is blue, then the cash on delivery option will be unavailable. So let's check it on the online store. If I select the product with blue variant, then you can see the cash on delivery option is unavailable. But if I select the same product with white variant, you can see the cash on delivery option is available. So in this way, you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. And that's all today guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.